I am Pavel Ferreri and I lead sales globally for our IBM Cloud Platform, Kubernetes, and developer services for IBM. Innovation and digital transformation are a couple of my deep passions, as well as helping clients make progress on your journey to the cloud. But ultimately, what matters to you as a company is getting business outcomes through the efforts of moving into the cloud. And for being able to deliver those business outcomes that ultimately benefit your clients, it's important to make the right decision on selecting the best cloud platform, whether you want to migrate existing applications or modernize those applications that you have by extending capabilities with new services and decomposing them into microservices for gained efficiency and many other benefits that come with modernization of apps, or whether you want to build cloud native applications in the cloud. The IBM Cloud Platform is the cloud for enterprise, and the million-dollar question is, why IBM? Why would you trust IBM with your data? And really, the answer to that question has many elements, but it is important to fully understand that selecting a cloud platform is not only a cloud platform decision, it's a business decision that has multiple implications, from security to availability to integrity of your data to many other things. And so I'm going to give you just a few points of why IBM is the right choice to partner in the long run in helping you move your company into the cloud and gain full advantage of the benefits that come with it. So, number one, the IBM Cloud Platform is built on one architecture that spans across a fully hybrid cloud model that allows you to have workloads, whether on a public cloud, on a dedicated environment, or even a private cloud, and your data center managed either by yourself or by IBM's professional services organization. So that translates into a lot of choices for you to decide what's best for your business. Number two is when it comes to Kubernetes, which has become the new standard, the new de facto for managing containerized environments. IBM's Kubernetes offering is called IBM Cloud Kubernetes Service, also known as IKS. So when I say IKS, that's what we're talking about. And when we talk about IKS, IBM has experience at scale and at production levels. We manage our own platform. Our own platform is on our Kubernetes service. So Watson is at production working on Kubernetes. The IBM Blockchain Platform is on Kubernetes working at production, workloads of our clients. The Weather Company Assets, which is an IBM company, is working at massive scale on Kubernetes with over 13 billion API calls per day. So we do have experience managing this at home, and we use our own offering. But we also have multiple customer success examples, from Maersk, which is the container company that is using containers on IBM, to many other companies across different industries. American Airlines, Hertz, Whirlpool, and truly many more across all industries. So we do have experience managing Kubernetes inside and outside the home. Number three, differentiated value-adding services are very important. The extensions that you get from the platform itself. So it is not just the development, but what else comes with it. So in the IBM Cloud Platform, we have a wide host of services, actually over 170 of them in the platform, that span from blockchain, as I mentioned ago, and Watson and Weather, to analytics and DevOps and a series of other services to enhance the applications that you are developing on the platform. And that's a unique differentiator of IBM. Number 4 is portability. And this is linked to one of our core values, right? Which are very simple 5 principles, by the way, which is we understand that there is a hybrid world of multi-clouds for clients where openness and the ability to move across different environments is important to you. You don't want to be locked in, right? And the highest security standards with top management. So those are the 5 principles. One of them, again, is openness. And to that point, our platform is built on open standards, right? And that means for you as a client that you're not locked in to us, certainly, right? We don't want to log you in. So you can develop on our platform and move to any other cloud or back to your data center whenever it makes sense to you. You have the freedom to choose and not being locked to anyone. And that is very important. We truly believe in that. Another very important point is the ability to get scaling and updates and security. And our Kubernetes service, right, automates the creation and management of Kubernetes clusters, including, again, scaling, updates, and security. So this enables your users to leverage the advantage of containers without having to get the overhead of training and learning how to manage it yourself. So that is a very important point there as well. Another point of why the IBM Cloud Platform is the best choice for you and is the best cloud for enterprise. We offer the highest security standards, as I mentioned a moment ago, and we have top-of-the-line certifications from HIPAA to GDPR, SOC 2 T1, PCI, and many others. Literally all the top security certifications. So you can be assured that your data is in good hands with us, and also the integrity of your data, and also back to our principles, very important that you know that we believe at the core that your data belongs to you. So we're not going to use it to share it with other clients or anyone else. Your data is safe, and that is extremely important. Another important point is stability and reliability, right? So we have 18 availability zones all around the world in 6 different regions in 4 major geographies. We have over 60 data centers globally, out of which on 25 of them, again, across all of those zones, you can host your Kubernetes workloads. So that's very important. You have all of that coverage around the world alongside all the other benefits that I mentioned. Another important point is the DevOps and tooling that we offer in the platform that allows you to get the insights, to draw insights from the data, and all of the DevOps and tooling is there in the platform at your service, right? Other points that are very important are, again, open source, right? Having an open platform. And IBM has been investing in the open source community, from Linux to new technologies like Cloud Foundry and Docker, and of course Kubernetes. We've been investing heavily and donating code to the community. So we've been not only believers, but practicing and contributing to the open source community and working on open standards, which again translates back to you as freedom. Another very important point, I would say point number 10 of this list of many reasons why IBM, right, is our experience with our proven experience with managing complex critical workloads through our massive and very experienced professional services organization, which is known as GBS, Global Business Services. But we also have an innovative new services organization known as the Garage, which is a methodology of using new techniques like agile and DevOps and design thinking to helping large enterprises move at the speed of small startups. So the Garage is a great complement that is unique to IBM. It's a unique differentiator to using the IBM Cloud Platform, right? Alongside our traditional professional services organization. So hopefully those 10 points offer some perspective to the very valid question, why to trust IBM with your data, with your business. IBM is the cloud for enterprise. We have proven experience, and we have, matter of fact, 47 out of the top 50 Fortune 50 companies in the world trusting IBM Cloud specifically. The top 10 banks in the world are using the IBM Cloud. 9 out of the top 10 retailers using IBM Cloud. 8 out of the top 10 airlines using IBM Cloud. So we do have experience at scale, but we also have experience working with small startups and everything in between. We know business, we are the cloud for enterprise, and we can help you whether you wanna migrate, modernize, develop cloud native, and manage all of your multi-cloud environments. Hopefully this helps. For me, it's a pleasure to talk about this and to continue helping you in your journey to the cloud. And with that message, I'll see you soon. Thank you.